My name is Shah. I'm the Chief Dental Officer for Oak Dental Partners, and the reason I got involved in this was I was honestly in the fence between opening my own practice and giving kind of the DSO landscape one more opportunity. And so 3 years later, here I am. The rest is history. I'm very, very happy and pleased to be serving a greater cause. Yeah, it's a challenge, but in a great way, because there's so many different dynamics, a lot of different personalities. Every day you're meeting someone new. We're onboarding different staff, different doctors. So it's a very challenging experience, but in a great way because you have so many dynamic personalities, but it beautifully shapes itself together very nicely. In terms from a doctor's perspective, in terms of growth and development, I think one of the biggest things here is that the sky's the limit in terms of technology, especially in today's day and age with all this technological advancements. We have laser usage out there. We've got zirconia crowns and aesthetics, and these are things that we're really bringing up to the forefront here in Oak Dental Partners. So as a provider, you're able to have all these resources at your disposal. We're really looking for someone who's highly motivated, we have CEs that go on throughout the year. As long as, like I said, the biggest thing for us is personality and teachable skills. Some of the things, you've got a great staff and a great support system here to motivate you and drive you, but we're all here to help foster each other's growth. Yeah, so joining a DSO was kind of the biggest contemplation, the biggest decision that I had to make, from a personal standpoint. And for me, it was a lot of the times, for a lot of the colleagues that I know, it's balancing that family life with your personal life. And being a part of a DSO, you can really focus on the one big thing, which is mastering your craft. All the managerial stuff, you can leave aside. You don't have to worry about that, the billing and all of the other mundane and sometimes tedious things that unfortunately come with owning a business. You don't have to worry about that. And you can really focus on just doing you and mastering your craft. At the same time, you got a great personal life where you can go home, you have less headache, less things to worry about, less stress on your back. You can really enjoy family time with family, friends, and just kind of live the life you love, which is the biggest thing. Yeah, so when I started here was back in 2018. I started off as a clinician at the Exton office in Pennsylvania, and as time went on, I just really fell in love with what the organization had to offer, the autonomy, the staff that I had, and it was just very different than a lot of DSOs out there. The culture was a big thing, and I'm a big believer that people don't work for companies, people work for people, and it couldn't be any more true, especially with Oak Dental Partners. The favorite part of my job is without a doubt interacting with our guests. As a child, I had leukemia, and so I had great care growing up, and just the oncology unit for me was a safe haven. And my whole goal here is to give back to today's generation, these kids. They're a clean slate, and they're just so impressionable, they're so moldable, and if you can really instill that love and that empathy in their life, it'll just take them places, and it's just to be able to give that energy to them and to see them succeed. Can't beat that. I think the biggest reason we love for you to join our practice here at Oak Dental Partners is that we aspire to inspire. And that's something that we live by every day according to, in addition to our mission values, is that we're driven. We're motivated. We want to make the world a better place each and every day. We want to enhance smiles. We want to enhance lives. And we get to do it on the best group of people out there, tomorrow's future. And nothing can beat that. It's the most rewarding thing in the world, and you get to have fun while you're doing it.